Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix fail to receive platform SIPT error. Check the server status. So if you are getting this error in League of Legends game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to Windows security users allow the League of Legends game exe file to control folder access and firewall. In Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection and then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open Riot Games folder, open League of Legends folder, then click on League client and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps, then select League client exe file, then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps and then click on League client ux render and then click open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection and then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open Riot Games folder, open League of Legends folder and then select League client exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, then click on browse, select League client exe file and then click open and then click on add. Again make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, click on browse and then select League client ux render exe file and then click open and then click on add. Again make sure both private and public is tick marked and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, or simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Connect to mobile data via hotspot. Now whatever net you are connected to, simply disconnect it and then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then go ahead, launch the game, and when the game get launched using the mobile data connected and then close the game and then connect back to your Wi-Fi or normal internet that you were using earlier and then launch the game and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players. I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to reset your internet connection. Now first uncheck the internet protocol version 6. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task and then click on your connected Wi-Fi and then click on properties. Now uncheck internet protocol version 6, uncheck it and then click OK and then close it. And now open the command prompt. So in Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to enter few codes to reset your internet connection. So first code is this one. You can copy this code from my video description and hit enter. This code is safe to use. Just copy and paste from my video description and hit enter. These codes are just to reset your internet connection, that's all. Now once it is done, close this command prompt and then just restart your PC one. Restarting your PC is must, and once your PC restart, also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router. This step is also must. And then connect your PC with your Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix fail to receive platform SIPT error in League of Legends game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.